Hi, it's Miss Yulbrick, and today I'm going to be talking about our research project and the guidelines for it. Now, this is going to be the ongoing project that will be taking place virtually for the month of March through spring break. Then we will be finishing up and writing our argumentative paper with this research once we are all back in person 5 days. So, the rationale behind this project is to help us learn valuable skills that will be applicable to our other core classes, as well as college classes and our career field. So, we're going to be finding and evaluating sources of information to help us read for information, organize that into an outline, and eventually format it in Google Docs with our argumentative essay outline, and then eventually we will be creating an infographic to show our findings. So, there's going to be several different parts of this research project, and below I have the due dates for each of the different parts. But it is important to note that the 10% deduction will be taking place for each assignment every day it is late. So make sure you are following these due dates and deadlines, especially as we're starting to get better habits once we're back in all 5 days. So, the requirements for this project, you are going to be finding and locating seven different scholarly sources for your research, and you'll be using six of those in your final paper. So, you're going to be evaluating internet sources as well as books and different primary and secondary sources to help gather and support your claim that you are making. So, your final paper, it's going to be our 5 paragraph format, double spaced, and we will be using the MLA format and citation guide to help cite and give credit to the sources we're using. Now, we have 5 different parts of this project. You will be turning in your topic selection sheet first. This will be where you are narrowing down your particular topic, and we're going to want to make sure you're picking something that's interesting to you. That way, you will find more valuable and authentic information, and it's something that you're passionate about, so you will want to find that credible information. Then you will be actually locating your 7 sources here the following week. And after we've gathered up all of our sources, then we will begin our outline by making our claim and what it is we are wanting to argue to prove our point. And we'll be submitting a final draft after spring break and having wrapping it up with an infographic presentation. This is subject to change just based off of scheduling, but more details will come as we get through spring break here. So, following this, once it's posted in Google Classroom, you will have this checklist to use throughout the unit to kind of help make sure you're meeting all of the components of our research and each part. We also give you all of the due dates here to kind of help make sure that you are staying on track. So, the first part of the project is the topic selection. Now, I just want to kind of give you a preview of this. So, you will be selecting a topic and you're going to want to make sure that it is narrow, researchable, arguable, and also manageable. So, as we roll this out the following week, we'll kind of go through some examples for you down here to look, but you will be brainstorming um, any type of topic again that is interesting to you. So it could be a current event, any type of social issue, anything with government issues, trending topics, history, or influential people. So just start thinking about these types of topics and how you're going to want to approach them. This will be your brainstorming topic that you will eventually be taking a look at. And the last thing I want you to see here is making sure that you are coming up with a claim and a counterclaim for your topic. So, the way this will look in Google Classroom, we will have an actual topic for you with the research project. It will have your guidelines here I just went over, and each week we will roll out the new assignment right underneath here. So, email us if you have any questions.